Homemade hot chocolate. The ingredients for homemade hot chocolate: 1 teaspoon of salt, 4 cups of powdered milk, 2 cups of cocoa, and 6 cups of sugar. They can be mixed up and put in a nice little container. Make a quick little gift for Christmas. An inexpensive gift. 6 cups of sugar. There are different types of milk. This brand has a very fine powder, and I like it better than this brand. This brand is like little tiny, not crystals really, but it's a little bit more crumbly. I think this makes a better hot chocolate mix, but they'll both work. 1 teaspoon of salt. Now with a large spoon, mix it up. All mixed. Now I'm ready to fill my containers with homemade hot chocolate mix. Almost 2 cups of hot chocolate in here. When they make the hot chocolate, they just use 2 tablespoons of the mix in hot water. Marshmallows are optional. Could add a little bag of mini marshmallows along with the gift, but I'm going to add something a little extra with them, and I'll show you that in a minute after I get these filled up. Okay, I have all of these containers filled, and I have a little bit left over to keep for at home. So this is for us, and these are gifts. In case I spilled any, I just want to wipe off any dust. Because it is kind of a powdery mix. I have prepared 6 bottles, small bottles of peppermint oil. I think I'll put them in a plastic bag before I put them in the top of the hot cocoa. And this way, when they have their cup of chocolate, if they want some peppermint flavor, just 1 little drop. And these have a little top on them so that it doesn't drip a whole lot. But 1 little drop added to the hot chocolate will add some peppermint flavor, but as well as this can be used for colds, coughs, headaches. There's a lot of uses for peppermint. It's a great essential oil. Add a label. I printed these labels from my computer, and then I used my stamp to garnish it, and now I just need to cut out the labels. I placed the peppermint oil in a baggie, and I'm going to get this cover up, place it in here. So each one will have peppermint. And now I need to attach the labels. Hot chocolate gifts. The tins came from the dollar store, and so that's inexpensive, and it's a gift that is special because of the peppermint essential oil. I will also enclose an information sheet about peppermint oil and all the wonderful uses it can have.